Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin now. Visually inspect the security belt for cuts, frays, and compromised stitching. Do not delay. Next, test the buckle and quick release. Make sure it opens smoothly, then close it firmly. Adjust the length so you have 1-2 fingers of clearance for comfort and safety. Finally, position the anchor points on rated attachment locations. Verify load rating labels and alignment. Once done, give the belt a firm tug to confirm everything seats correctly, and then proceed to secure the user. You now focus on the core fit. Center the waist strap over the iliac crest and route chest straps across the sternum, never on the throat. Tighten tension straps until the belt is snug but still allows 1 to 2 fingers for breathing. Make sure secondary buckles and retainers are locked, then perform movement checks, bend, reach, and twist to emulate real activity. If any slippage or rotation appears, loosen, reseat, and retention. Once alignment and comfort are set, move to confirm attachments. You complete the process with a final verification. Perform a full system pull test, applying a firm load and holding for 5 seconds to ensure no stretch or slippage. Make sure excess webbing is secured and that the belt is stored dry, away from UV and corrosive chemicals. Plan replacement after a major impact or every 3 to 5 years. If you detect failure, rips, deformation, or broken hardware, stop use at once, tag out the belt, and replace it immediately to maintain safety.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.